Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact library type and architecture because mismatches will break linking. Once done, copy headers and the lib or DLL into your repo or a dedicated libs folder so paths stay stable. You should also open the solution and pick the configuration and platform that you will build against debug versus release and x86 versus x64. This is the first actionable step. Organize files and choose the matching build settings so the compiler and linker can find. You now point Visual Studio to the headers and libraries so compilation and linking succeed. Go to Project Properties, under C/C++, add the header folder in additional include directories. This tells the compiler where to find declarations. Once done, switch to linker settings and add the lib folder under additional library directories for the active platform. Then, in linker input, list each lib file in additional dependencies. Make sure platform-specific settings are adjusted, otherwise the linker won't see the right files. You finish by ensuring runtime access and validating the build. If the library is a DLL, copy it next to the built exe or update the system path so the loader finds it at runtime. Then build the project and inspect the linker output. Unresolved externals tell you which symbols are missing and usually point to wrong lib or missing definitions. If things go wrong, verify the configuration and platform match, check exact lib file names, and confirm the library architecture aligns with your target. That single mismatch is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.